big political message that is now coming in from the Indian MP Shashi Tharoor's side, because he says that using Trump-Mamdani meeting as an example, he's calling for fierce political fights but greater cooperation afterward, even after hinting that India's leaders must rise above party lines to serve national interests. So let's connect with Akansha on this. Well, Akansha, yes, an example could be taken, but politics is something which is very, very different, whether be it on the Indian standard side and whether, on world leaders or what is expected and what has been witnessed between Mamdani and Donald Trump, that is also quite different.
Absolutely. Let me take you through what Shashi Tharoor has posted on social media. He has said, this is how democracy should work. Fight passionately for your point of view in election, with no rhetorical holds barred. But once it is over and the people have spoken, learn to cooperate with each other in the common interest of the nation. You are both blessed to serve. I would love to see more of this in India as well, and I'm trying to do my part. Now, was this a whale dig at his own party, the Congress party? The BJP, the Bharatiya Janata Party leader believes so. He has said, once again, Shashi Tharoor reminds the Congress party to put India first and not Parivar, to behave democratically and not like sore losers. But will Rahul Gandhi get the message? One more fatwa loading against Shashi Tharoor is what the Bharatiya Janata Party has said. But clearly, it looks like a whale drive at his own party, that is the Congress party, Amita.
All right. Well, that is an ideal situation, obviously, as far as when it comes to keeping politics aside, but in a situation which is all about Rajniti. But if that happens as far as the leaders who are, fiercely critical of each other, Nyamika, this is a thumbs up coming in from the BJP side, because this has been often witnessed in the, Indian Parliament, on the floor of the Indian Parliament. Vocal critics not agreeing with each other on several of the issues, but there is some sort of a respect that still goes beyond to a person who may have a different point of view or comes from a different ideology, but that respect is commanded.
Well, yes, indeed, and that is what we have seen in the recent days as well. Whenever the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP Shashi Tharoor has praised the government or its policies, and specifically if we talk about Prime Minister Narendra Modi, then he has been, he has to face criticism from his own party leaders, and that is the only reason why his recent post on social media, it seems like he is also showing the mirror to the Congress party itself, the manner in which he has shared that video of the US President Donald Trump speaking to Mamdani, as who has been recently elected mayor of the United States. For that reason, he is also trying to give out this message that this is what the democracy actually means, as despite of the fact that they had given statements against each other during the election campaigning, but still when the elections are over, they are working together for the welfare of the country, and that is what he has stated, that I hope that the same thing will happen in India as well. As he had also stated that I am also trying to do the same. So that is what he is basically trying to give out a message to the Congress party's own leaders itself, because whenever he had praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi,
it is learning to cooperate with each other in common interest of the nation that you have pledged to serve. That seems to be the message coming in from Shashi Tharoor, because ultimately both sides, even if they have opposing ideologies, are coming together to serve the nation's best interest. The BJP is now citing Shashi Tharoor's message on Mamdani to mock the Congress. The BJP now says Shashi Tharoor asked Congress to put India first, and now also asking if Rahul Gandhi does get the message of Shashi Tharoor. Listen in.
Once again, Dr. Tharoor has chosen to remind Congress that they should put national interest above parivaric interest and should serve and behave democratically rather than behave like sore losers. He has put out a cryptic tweet highlighting the bonhomie, the camaraderie between Donald Trump and Mamdani, who were fiercely at each other's throat before elections, but came together quite harmoniously post-elections. And he reminds mostly Congress that how political parties may fight bitter political battles in the elections, but once that is over, they must come together to serve the national cause. He says that he is doing his bit, but is Congress doing its bit? Congress loses an election, it questions democracy, starts abusing the victor, starts abusing the Janta. Congress abuses anybody who puts national interest above partisan, political, bitter interests or even parivarik interests. Mr. Shashi Tharoor wished LK Advani happy birthday and he was given a chastisement. He only said that the PM made a good speech and he was issued a fatwa against. He spoke candidly about how Operation Sindoor was the strength of our military. He stood for our forces and not for the parivarik narrative that we surrendered, and he was sidelined in the Congress. Perhaps this is a veiled, cryptic message to Congress that it must get out of its emergency mindset.
Well, Nyamika, the BJP asking Congress to look within. You know, if democratic behavior is something, then if a party individual has a different point of view, why is he singled out?
Well, yes, indeed. As recently we have seen that it was Shashi Tharoor who had praised the speech of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where he had, given this statement that India has become a role model for the entire world. Even at that point in time, also we have seen that how several leaders within the Congress party had criticized this statement of Shashi Tharoor, and that is the only reason why today he has indirectly trying to give out a message to the party's own leaders, as he has basically stated that the manner in which the US President Donald Trump and Mayor Mamdani, they are working together, that is actually what democracy means, because during the time of election campaigning they should criticize the opponents, but when the elections get over, they should also work together for the welfare of the people, for the welfare of the entire country, and that is what he is expecting for India as well. That is a message which he is trying to give to the Congress party, because recently we have seen that how the Congress party had also criticized the BJP after the Bihar Assembly elections. That is what is being stated by the BJP's own leaders as well. They are saying that whenever the Congress party loses elections, they not just criticize the BJP leaders, the BJP's leadership, but also this entire election as well. They have started raising questions upon the process which is being followed. So that is what the BJP is saying, that Shashi Tharoor, through this cryptic post which he has made recently on social media, he is trying to give out this message to the Congress party itself.
That politically, not personally. Well, that seems to be the message coming from the Congress party leader. Is it to his own leadership? Well, that remains to be seen, because this is exactly what the BJP is now pointing out to. Thank you very much, Nyamika, for joining in live. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.